So this is question number 3 we have. For here there is a right angle triangle like this, you know. So this is of 90 degree, it is of 45 degree, and it is of 45 degree, right? This is root 2, this x we have to find. So in a right angle triangle, in a right angled triangle, base angles base angles of 45 degree and vertex angle vertex angle of 90 degree, then triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right? And side opposite to and side opposite to side opposite to side opposite to equal side opposite to equal angles are equal, right? So if I say this is A, this is B, this is C, and angle A is equal to angle C is of 45 degree, so and angle B is of 90 degree, so triangle ABC will be isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle, right? And AB is equal to BC, right? And as given us BC is equal to root 2, so AB is equal to BC is equal to root 2. So this will also be of root 2, right? So now by applying Pythagoras theorem, by by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is x square is equal to root 2 square plus root 2 square, right? So it becomes x square is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Taking the square root both sides, we get x is equal to 2. Get it? Yeah, yeah. X square is equal to x square is equal to root 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. Both sides are equal. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Should I wipe it off? Okay. Now we have question number 4, right? And question number 4 is like that there is a right angle triangle, right? Like this. This is of 90 degree, right? This angle is of 60 degree, and this angle of 30 degree, right? This is, and it is given you, this is 4, this is x, right? A, B, and C. So in triangle ABC, mm, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right? It is given you, it is written in your sheet that in this type of angle, when one angle is of 90 degree, another one is of 60 degree, then 30 degree, then we have ratio ratio of sides, ratio of sides 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? So this is the ratio. Let this is given there. Actually, when two sides are known, then we can get the third side. But if one side is known, so we cannot get the other two sides. But there is given ratio, right? There is given ratio that in a triangle where one angle of 60 degree, another angle of 30 degree, then they are in a ratio of 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? So this is question number 3. Actually, question number 2 is same what we have done in question number 1. It is exactly same. But I can do for you. There is no problem. But first I try. See, this is the ratio. Actually, only one side is given, so we have to apply the trick. Otherwise, I have. This is okay. This is the side is given to you. Right. This is the ratio of sides. Right. So let uh, dimension be x, dimension be x. So this is x, x root 3 and 2x. Right. So this will be positively 2x. Right. This is the longest side. This is the longest side. So this belongs to hypotenuse. I can do by this method only. No, it's not like that. Let's dimension 2x. If I take, if I take, sine 30 degree, uh, tan 60 degree, then there is perpendicular upon base, right? Tan 60 degree. If we take tan 60 degree, so this is base, and this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, right? So tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to perpendicular is 4 and base is equal to b, right? So we interchange it and we get base is equal to 4 root 3, right? So now we get this is 4 root 3. So now we get by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? So there is hypotenuse is x square is equal to perpendicular is 4 whole square plus base is equal to 4 root 3 square. Getting? So x square we get 16 plus 16 upon 3, right? So right. So now we are now I have taken 3 as an LCM, so it becomes 16 3s are 48 plus plus this is 16, so it becomes 64 upon 3, right? So I get x is equal to 64 up, x square is 64 upon 3, taking square root both sides, I get x is equal to 8 upon root 3, right? 8 upon root 3. So value of x is 8 upon root 3. 8 upon root 3. 8 by root 3. Yeah, so we have taken, square root here. Square root is there. So taking square root here. So we get this. So we get this. This is a part of trigonometry. I applied here trigonometry. Trigonometry may, sine is sine theta, sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine is equal to Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Base and sorry, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Since here I know the perpendicular and base I have to find, and angle is of 60 degree. So I applied tan 60. Tan 60 value is root 3. This is given. This is well known to us, right? Tan 60's value is root 3. So by using this, we come to this. Yeah. Uh, tan tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. You know, it's a when you go through with, there is a standard table for that, where it is given that um, tan 0 standard table, tan 0 degree is equal to 0, right? And tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan 60 degree tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, and tan 90 degree is not defined, right? This is standard table. This is standard table. Proving of that is very lengthy. Proving of this is very lengthy, and it is a different part of maths. That is trigonometry. When we study trigonometry, then I'll show you how I get this root 3. But here we have to just sin 90 degree is not defined because it is 1 upon 0. Okay. So should I do this? Okay. So now, should I come to question number 2? As a reference of mine, this is question number 5, but no, question number 2 is there is given a triangle. Again, it is of isosceles triangle because this is, and this is, and this. So this is of 90 degree, this is of 45 degree, this is of 45 degree, right? So side oppose, this is of 90 degree. So side opposite to, so side opposite to equal angles, equal angles are equal, right? And it is given you, this is x, so this is x, so this will also be x, right? If I take it a, b and c, so ab is equal to bc is equal to x, and this is given you 10, AC is given you 10, this is of 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle, it is triangle ABC, triangle ABC is right angled isosceles, isosceles triangle, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, yeah, it's fine. Pythagoras theorem, AC hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, right? So hypotenuse is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, fine. So AC is 10 whole square is equal to x square plus x square, right? So this 10 square is 100, so 10 square is 100, so 100 is equal to 2x square, right? This 100, 2 1 are 2, 5 times 2 is 10, and 0 50, this is 50, so we get 50 is equal to x square, got it? Both sides taking square root over, so it becomes x is equal to 25 into 2. 2 times 25 is 50. So this is 50. So we can write here x is equal to 5 root 2, because 25 is perfect square of 5. So that comes out 5, and this is, so x root x is equal to 5 root 2. So that is 5 root 2. I hope you understand. Yes, both. Both sides are equal. Yeah. Now should we move to next? That again you send me question number 6 as per my reference, but for your given reference question is 4. right? There is, yeah, as per your sheet, you know, and you tell me there is a right angle triangle. This is a triangle like this, and like right? This is this is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree, and this is of 30 degree, right? And this is of 60 degree, and it is given us this is 12. Hypotenuse is 12, and we have to find this x, right? So what we can do, I can do directly, you know, that in cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? Yes, this is another formula which is related to trigonometry because only one side is known, and but angles are known. So on the basis of that, and these are standard angles, so we know the value of this. So uh, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to perpendicular. No, no. Sorry, this is base. This is base. When we talk about cos, then it is base. Base upon hypotenuse. When we talk about cos, then it is base upon hypotenuse. If we talk about sine, then we take perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Right? Sorry. So this is base. So base is x. We are taking in consideration this angle. So as side adjacent to angle is the base. So this is base and this is perpendicular, right? So cos 30 is root 3 by 2, base is x, hypotenuse is 12, right? So 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Cross multiplied, 6 root 3 is equal to x. Getting this by this way we can get that. Because when man one side is more, so yeah, cos 30 is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and standard value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So and now base is x and hypotenuse is 12. So I put here 12. So x upon 12. This 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12 when cross multiplied. Okay, it can be done like this. 6 root 3. Yeah. Answer will be 6 root 3. 6 root 3. I hope you understand now. Cosine 30. Co- Mm, no, actually, sine is having different meaning. Sine means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos means base upon hypotenuse. Tan is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So they all are having different meanings. Got it? Hmm. Now you send me the next question. Should I rub this? Cosine is root 3 over 2. Cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. Yeah. So now we have, you send me the next sheet, and in that, you know, question number 7 with reference to me, and again with reference to you, question number 1. Your sheet which you send me, you know. Yeah. So there is a quadrilateral like this. This is. This is a quadrilateral like this, right? And there is a line. This is the diagonal which divides it in two right angles. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree, right? These two angles is of 90 degree. If I say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, right? And again, this is of you know 30 degree. This is of 30 degree, and this is of 45 degree, right? So this will be the hypotenuse. When we take, this will be the hypotenuse consideration. This angle in consideration, then it will be base. It will, and it is perpendicular. Perpendicular. Hello. This is, yeah. So now this is the perpendicular. This is a 90 degree. This is 45 degree. And what is given us? This is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. 6. Yeah, 6 it is. So so this is of 45 degree. This is 90 degree. So this will be of 45 degree, right? So when base angles are equal, sides are equal, right? Sides are equal. So we have to find the y. When we have to find the y, so you know we got uh, you know triangle. triangle ABC, ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. Right. So, uh, so hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right. So we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC square. Hypotenuse is 6 का whole square is equal to AB is equal to BC. As it is isosceles triangle, so AB is equal to BC. Right? So we can write here BC square plus BC square, and that is equal to Y. So it can be written as 36 is equal to 2BC square, right? This is 18. So 18 is equal to, and BC is equal to Y. So it is Y square. Taking the square root both sides, we get, Y is equal to 2 times 9 is 18 root, and 9 is a perfect square, so we can write it 3 root 2, right? So Y is 3 root 2. So this is 3 root 2. Get it? You got this? Base angles are equal, then sides are equal. When sides are equal, then things are like that. Second part is of that. Second part of that is x. We have to find x just for a while. This is this is x we have to find, right? Again, this, and when we take this angle in consideration, then it is base, and this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, and so this is 30 degree. So here we use you know in triangle ADC ADC we use sine 30. This is sine, so sine 30 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to perpendicular is x and hypotenuse is 6, right? So this is 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So x is equal to 3. This is we have. So this is going to be 3. Yeah, I hope I have delivered as per your expectations. Okay. So next question is there. Should I rub wipes off? Okay. Which one? This question number two. Okay. What is saying? Yeah. They are getting with the same way what I am telling you. No, no. You know, they are saying when right angle triangle is like this, there is a right angle triangle, right? This is of 30 degree, this is of 60 degree, right? This is of 90 degree. In that case, ratio of sides जो आपको दिया गया है, ratio of sides, ratio of sides, that is 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This is the ratio is given, right? And this is the longest side, so this belongs to hypotenuse, right? So using this ratio, they are solving that. Ratio of size, how they can. It's great. If I take base is 1, 1030 base is 1. Yeah, right. So tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3, right? So perpendicular is, perpendicular is, sorry, tan 30 is base, it is base. So perpendicular upon base, so 1 upon root 3, so P will be, and base is equal to 1, so we can write 1 upon root 3 is equal to P upon 1, right? So P is equal to 1 upon root 3, right? P is equal to 1 upon root 3. Uh, when we take ratio, so P is 1 upon root 3, or if I take perpendicular as a 1, you know, so when I take perpendicular as a 1, so it becomes 1, and this is base, this is 1, so base will be root 3. So base will be root 3, right? And now this is 1, this is root 3, right? Now by hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse square 1 square plus root 3 whole square, right? So we get hypotenuse square is equal to 1 is 1 plus 3. It becomes 4. So hypotenuse square root we have taken. So h is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. So that is how they get the ratio. One is to root 3 is to 2. This is the ratio there is. With this angle we can get, you know. And after that they compared it. So I have taken perpendicular this p as a 1. After that I got base is root 3 by putting the value of tan 30, right? When I put the value of tan 30, after that I get the value of hypotenuse, that is 2. This is, hmm. uh, you know, here what they are telling, okay, just wait. They again they are saying like that. This is the angle, this is a triangle, right? Which is having this is of 60 degree, right? This is root 2 upon x, right? So for, we are taking this angle in consideration. So this will be base and this will be perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse. So we can take sine 60. Sorry, yeah. We can take sine 60 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is root 3 by 2, right? Perpendicular is root 3 by 2. Sorry, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Perpendicular is uh, x, and perpendicular is x, and hypotenuse is root 2, right? So you got it. This is, x ratio root 2 is equal to root 3 ratio 2. You got that? So what is the answer? Root 6. Okay, root 6 upon 2. Yeah. So we this is in your question. Yeah, what I do it. I just cross multiply these two. This is cross multiplied. So root 3 into root 2 upon 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to root 6 by 2. You get it, x, right? I hope it's okay. Hello, hello. Ah, right. So I hope it's okay what I said. I, I understand you. They have taken that in form of ratio. I am telling you, but I have converted this is tan theta and cos theta and like that. Anyway, but that ratio is coming from there only. That ratio you can see. You can see the ratio is like that. in your answer, the ratio is like that only. There is written there root 3, root 3 ratio 2 is equal to x ratio root 2. This is written there. This is the ratio, right? You can see that on the top. So, and similarly, we do that. Now, I done like that this. How, from where we get this ratio? We get ratio by this using sine 60 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and this and that. They are directly coming to this. Mhm. 1045. 1045. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'll tell you. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, combine. I'll show you how. I shown you here, but I'll try to do it in more defined way, so to understand the things. We are Yeah, like he's telling me one, but what I'm doing, they are also doing the same. But I'm telling you how you get this. They have directly written you, root is given you, root is given you, root x. Yes, yes, yes. How you get this? Root 3 by 2 is they have taken the same thing, but they have not written there. Please try to understand me. Can I do it here on this side? What I'm seeing, there is written here x ratio root 2, right? Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. You send me something. Yeah, this is okay. Spatial right angle triangles. Okay, so there is a triangle like this, right? This is right angle triangle, right? This angle is of 90 degree. This is this angle is of 45 degree. This angle is of 45 degree, right? So in the this is when in a triangle in a this is a right angle triangle because one angle of 90 degree. So in a right angle right angle triangle, base angles of 45 degree, base angles of 45 degree, then it is then it is isosceles isosceles right angled triangle, isosceles right angled isosceles right angled triangle. Fine. And there is side opposite to opposite to side opposite to equal sides, side opposite to equal angles are equal, right? It means this is x, so this will also. Got it? Okay. So okay. So what happens? This is x and x. Yeah, if I take is x is equal to 1, so side opposite to equal angles are equal. So this is 1, this is also 1, right? This is also 1. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. It becomes 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So hypotenuse square is equal to square root both sides. So h is equal to root 2. Getting? So this is root 2. So ratio of sides are ratio of sides are ratio of sides is equal to 1 is to 1 is to root 2. This is the ratio. Getting?